10 mind-blowing facts about Indian Railways. 1. The fourth largest railway network in the world. Indian Railways isn't just a mode of transportation, it's the lifeline of the nation. Stretching across 68,000 kilometers, this network connects every corner of the country, from bustling metros to sleepy villages. Every single day, over 23 million people travel on Indian trains. That's more than the entire population of Australia. With more than 7,000 stations, 13,000 trains, and millions of employees, it's a living, breathing ecosystem. It runs through forests, deserts, coasts, and mountains. And yet, it works like clockwork, day and night, rain or shine. It's more than just steel and wheels, it's unity on rails. Indian Railways is where countless love stories begin, families reunite, dreams chase their destinations, and memories are made. 2. India's longest train journey, Vivek Express. Imagine traveling from the top right corner of India to the southern tip. That's what Vivek Express does. It runs from Dibrugarh in Assam to Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu, covering a jaw-dropping 4,273 kilometers in about 82 hours. That's over 3 full days. As the train chugs along, the landscapes change from tea gardens of Assam to the temple towns of Tamil Nadu. You pass through multiple states, cultures, languages, and cuisines, all without switching trains. It's more than a journey. It's a moving documentary of India's diversity. 4. India's fastest train, Vande Bharat Express. Modern, sleek, and lightning fast, Vande Bharat Express is India's pride. Capable of hitting speeds of 180 kilometers per hour, this train is 100% made in India. It features automatic doors, touchless entry, GPS tracking, airline-like seating, and Wi-Fi. From Delhi to Varanasi or Mumbai to Gandhinagar, Vande Bharat is the new face of Indian travel. It's more than just speed, it's a symbol of India's technological leap into the future. 5. The busiest station, Havda Junction. Havda Junction in Kolkata is like a living organism, never still, always buzzing. Over 1 million passengers pass through it every single day. From here, trains connect to almost every major city in India. The station is massive, with 23 platforms, continuous announcements, and endless motion. It's a place where millions of stories cross paths. 5. Indian Railways has its own police and hospitals. Yes, Indian Railways runs its own police force, the RPF, Railway Protection Force, which ensures safety on board and at stations. It also has its own healthcare system, with over 125 hospitals and clinics for employees and their families. From doctors to disaster response, Railways doesn't just move people, it protects and cares for them. 6. World's longest railway platform, Hubli, Karnataka. In the city of Hubli, Karnataka, lies a record breaker, the world's longest railway platform, stretching over 1,507 meters. That's longer than 15 football fields lined up. It's a symbol of efficient planning and space management in India's growing railway infrastructure. 7. The first train in India, 1853. Let's rewind to 16th April 1853, when the first passenger train in India ran from Mumbai to Thane. It covered 34 kilometers and carried about 400 passengers in 14 carriages, pulled by 3 steam engines. That short ride sparked a long journey, the birth of the Indian Railways we know today. It was the dawn of industrial transformation. 8. World's oldest operating steam engine, Fairy Queen. India holds a Guinness World Record for the oldest working steam locomotive, the Fairy Queen, built in 1855. Today, it's used for heritage tourism and is maintained with pride. It's a moving museum, a piece of history that still huffs and puffs on the tracks. 10. One of the world's largest employers, Indian Railways. Indian Railways employs over 1.3 million people, making it one of the largest employers in the world, second only to the Indian Army in India. From engineers to guards, ticket collectors to cooks, it's a universe in itself. It supports livelihoods and fuels the nation's progress. Indian Railways is more than just a transport system, it's an emotion. It connects hearts, builds bridges between people, and binds the nation in an invisible thread of steel. Every station has a story. Every ticket is a new beginning. Indian Railways, truly the pulse of India. If you like this journey through rails and tales, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And tell us in the comments, what's your most memorable train journey ever?